and a lot more right here on Newspoint. Let's get you started with the headlines first. Israel strikes multiple targets in Lebanon after fears of full-scale war soar. IDF claims airstrikes hit hundreds of rocket launchers ready for immediate attack on Israel. Qatar Airways bans pagers, walkie-talkies on flights from Beirut amid security concerns. Delta Airlines suspends flights between New York, JFK and Tel Aviv till the end of this year. Russia claims to have successfully destroyed a piece of armour supplied to Ukraine by its Western backers, shares video of the purported strike. India's Prime Minister and US President to hold bilateral meeting on the sidelines of Quad Leaders Summit on Saturday. The two leaders expected to discuss Prime Minister Modi's visit to Moscow and Kiev. Junior doctors in India's West Bengal state agree to partially withdraw their strike to resume essential services from Saturday after a 41-day impasse over the rape and murder of a trainee doctor. Bangladesh's interim government says it will formally seek extradition of former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina from India to stand trial. Inflation in Japan accelerates in August for the fourth consecutive month. This comes as the Bank of Japan is scheduled to wrap up its latest policy decision meeting.